Alright, starting off with the NYX eyeshadow base. I always use this when I want to do a bright eyeshadow look, and today I'm going to be using the Jawbreaker palette, and the first color that I'm going to be packing on my lid is the shade Licorice. And this palette, I can already tell y'all right now, is super pigmented. Then I want to cut the crease, so I'm going to use this Maybelline concealer, put this on the center of my lid, and then I'm going to look up and have that concealer kind of go right in the crease as you saw, and then blend that concealer up. And right where I just put that concealer, I'm going to put the shade Gumdrop right in the middle. Love this color. This was a color that I was super excited about getting this palette. I just love like a light lavender purple shade. And then I'm going to go in with this shimmer shade, which is the shade Snack, and pack that right on top of that purple with my finger. Then I'm going to go in with some just like setting spray or just wet the brush, and then put the shade Jawbreaker right on top of that to make that pop. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Bite Me, which is this beautiful shimmer purple shade, and we're going to add this, as you can see, right on the outside of that white. I don't really know how to describe it, but as I'm showing right here, and then just kind of blending all that in. Next up, I'm going to go in with this deep, like the deepest shade in this palette, which is Delicious, and kind of darken up these corners. So I am doing kind of a, I guess you would call this a halo eye. Then I'm going to go in with my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, and then fill some of my pores in. I got this from BOXYCHARM, and I'm actually really liking it so far. Then going in with the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. I wanted my face to be very dewy and healthy looking today. I'm going to apply that all over my face. Then going in with Bobbi Brown's corrector in Light Peach. Y'all, this helps me cover up my dark circles, and we all know that I have dark circles, so I'm really happy about this. The Revlon Candid Concealer, y'all. This is one of my absolute favorite, I said concealer. This is one of my favorite foundations, and I do use a wet beauty blender to pounce this into the skin, and then concealer. I really like this one as well, and I'm pretty sure those are both shades Vanilla. But I really like this. It gives really good coverage. Then I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl powdered foundation and just set that concealer and foundation on my face. Next up, the Profusion Highlight and Contour Palette. I love these two shades right here on bottom. They are perfect for pale skin. I'm going to carve out them cheekbones and then just contour my face. Next up, going in with this NYX Ombre blush right here. Y'all, this is one of my favorite blushes. It is beautiful. It's definitely got that like purpley kind of undertone. I love it. Then I'm going in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Supreme Frost Diamond Wet Highlighter. Oh my gosh, guys, this is beautiful. And then to set the face, I'm going in with the Skin & Co. Illuminating Setting Spray. This is my favorite go-to illuminating setting spray. This video is going super fast, so I apologize. But yeah, just adding those purples and reds underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go in the ColourPop mascara and put this on my lower lash line. I thought using a red mascara would just kind of spice up the look a little bit. Then I'm going to finish up my brows with some brow gel. I did use the Anastasia Dip Brow to fill in my brows, but I like using this Benefit one to kind of just you know, brush through the brows. And then going in with this gloss, I absolutely love this. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I just love reds and purples together. It's so much fun. And again, if you guys do not own this Jawbreaker palette, you definitely should pick it up. It is absolutely beautiful. If you like these kind of videos, be sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching.